Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School online classes and welcome to your English class. Today we are going to do the questions and answers from your English workbook of Unit 4. The first worksheet is Worksheet 10, An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. So let's move to the questions and answers. First one is A. Answer the following questions. Where was Kalpana Chawla's college? What course did she do there? Kalpana Chawla's college was in Chandigarh and she did aeronautical engineering course there. Name 3 subjects that one has to study to be an astronaut. One has to study biology, astrophysics and aeronautical engineering to be an astronaut. So all these subjects you have to study to be an astronaut. What did the crew of Columbia achieve on its last voyage? Voyage is journey. The crew of Columbia conducted 80 experiments on its last voyage. So that was their achievement. Successfully they had completed all the experiments. The path from dreams to success does exist. Explain this statement with reference to context. So this statement was said by Kalpana Chawla to the students of her college back in Chandigarh from the space shuttle. The statement was a message from Kalpana Chawla to students of her college. She wanted to inspire the students to follow their dreams with courage. So she wanted all the students to follow their dreams so that they could find success and achieve what they want. Say if the following statements are true or false. If it is true, we will put T, and if it is false, we are going to mark it as F. Kalpana Chawla was born in the USA. This is false. We all know she was born in Karnal in Haryana. She was the first Indian American astronaut. True. The launch pad for Columbia was at Cape Canaveral, Florida. This is false. She was a certified pilot and flight engineer. Yes, true. No experiments were conducted on Columbia. This is again false. Now this one is the one which you will be doing. Think, discuss and then answer the following question. What is your dream? What do you need to do to achieve it? So first you have to think about your dream, like you want to be a teacher or a doctor. What do you want to be when you grow up, or a sportsman? So you have to think about that, and then you have to think about the steps or the studies that you have to do to achieve that. That you have to write here, children, in the space provided. Now move on to the next one. The next one of Unit 4 is beauty. This is worksheet 11. Answer the following questions. The first one is name 5 things in which beauty can be seen. Beauty can be seen in the sunlight, trees, birds, corn that is growing, and people working or dancing. This is from the first stanza. Question 2. Name 3 things in which beauty is heard. Beauty can be heard in the night, wind sighing, and rain falling. Beauty is in yourself. Explain the statement with reference to the poem. Beauty is there in one's own self. Beauty is there in their good deed and good thoughts. When one thinks good, their dreams and their work also become beautiful. Choose the correct option from the bracket to complete the sentences. People are working and dancing for their harvest or honor. Which one is right? Harvest. So we have written harvest here. Second, beauty can be seen in the fields of weeds or corn. So we will write corn here because weeds are the unwanted ones. Then the third, fourth and fifth will be done by you, children, based on the poem we studied. C. Think, discuss and then answer the following question. What are the things you find beautiful? So according to the poem you have to write what do you and what do you feel in the world is beautiful. Like if you feel flowers are beautiful, rainbow is beautiful, or your family is very beautiful, that you have to write here. In the world, what do you find very beautiful? B is in your best friend. In your best friend, which thing you find is very beautiful? Their way of thinking, their way of caring. Which part of your best friend is beautiful? And then the third one is in yourself. What do you think is beautiful about yourself? Okay, students, so these are the things which you have to do to understand yourself, understand people around you, and understand the things you value most in the world. So, do these homeworks, children. We will meet again in the next class.